The table shows the inputs and outputs for a rule. All right. Which rule describes the relationship between the inputs and outputs? Pause this video, have a go at that. All right, before I even look at these choices, let me see if I can come up with it on my own. Let's see, it's always fun. It's not times 3. This first one could be times 3, but these others don't look like times 3. Let's see, maybe it's actually easiest just to look at their choices and see which one actually matches. Multiply the input by 2. No, clearly if you took this input and multiplied by 2, you're not going to get 3. So let's rule that one out. Multiply the input by 3. That's where I started, but that is not what's happening for the second row, or actually the third or fourth row. If you multiply 4 by 3, you don't get 9, so we rule that out. Multiply the input by 2, then add 1. So 1 times 2 plus 1 is 3. 1, let me write it this way. 1 times 2 plus 1 is indeed equal to 3. 4 times 2 plus 1 is indeed equal to 9. 6 times 2 plus 1 is indeed equal to 13. And 10 times 2 plus 1 is indeed equal to 21. All right, I like that one. But let's just validate that this last one does not make sense. Add 2 to the input. That works for the top one, but not for any of the other ones. So we'd also rule that one out.